Good day also, welcome back to our channel. So the Daylong Dilo DL110 is one of the cheapest brand new bikes you can buy in Nigeria now in 2026. Aside from being the cheapest, it's one of the most stylish, most powerful, and also comes with a very large boot underneath the seat. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the full specification and the price of the Daylong DL1110 in Nigeria in 2026. So we'll also talk about where to get it because we now have offices in Navy where you can buy it at an affordable rate. So let's get started. Starting off with the engine and performance, the Daylong DL110 comes with a single-cylinder air-cooled 4-stroke engine that delivers 10 horsepower and 6.5 Nm of torque. Coming to its speed, this bike can exceed 85 km per hour, and you know that this bike is light. So coming to the speed cannot be much. So it comes with a simple, affordable, and a good design for your everyday transportation. So the 1110cc engine consumes less petrol. So for this one, 1 liter of petrol can last you the whole day and even the next day self. Depends on your routine. So coming to its fuel consumption, the fuel consumption is relatively very low. Coming over to its transmission, it comes with a normal conventional transmission and also comes with option of electric start and kickstart. So the kickstart is there as a standby one in case if you have a low battery. So you can kickstart it and you get on. Coming over to its brakes and suspension, at the front you get disc brake, while the rear you get a drum brakes, and this combination helps you to bring the bike to a stop even from 85 or even 100 km per hour in a few seconds. So you can see that this bike is designed for both performance and also safety and also convenience. And coming to its suspension, this suspension is top notch. If you are driving this bike, no matter how rough the road is, you won't feel it because the suspension will take the whole heat, letting you enjoy a comfortable ride. Coming to its size, this size and the design is really very simple, and it weighs 100 kilograms, either 95 or 105. That means 100 plus 5 or 100 minus 5. So with this lightweight, that's just like approximately 2 bags of cement. You see that is very light thanks to the fiber materials that are used on the body instead of using iron and the other distance that adds weight to this bike. And you know that this lightweight also brings about improved fuel efficiency because for the lightweight it doesn't have much load to pull. So and it can carry up to 150 kilograms. So you can see that the bike is good. This fuel economy is top notch. See this bike, the fuel economy, you can't match it. It comes with a lightweight body, so it's not consuming large fuel. And also the maintenance and spare parts availability. Spare parts of this bike are everywhere. If you turn anywhere, you will see. So if you buy it, the maintenance cost is not that much, just about changing your oil. And if you buy it brand new, you don't even have any reason to go to any mechanic for years because once you change your oil, you do the normal routine maintenance, you are good to go. Then we come down to the pricing. Price of the Daylong Dilo 110 in Nigeria now in 2026 starts at 1 million naira and goes up to 1.1 million naira, but I will always sell the cheapest. And so we now have office at Navy and Lagos. So if you need this bike, do want to reach out to Alpha Luxury Bikes on 081 4965 1302. So for claim bikes at an affordable rate. So we also have other bikes like the Kinko Jockey and the Super Coupe. So in our subsequent videos, we have been going to be making videos on that as well. In conclusion, this bike does not have any downside. Everything about this bike, again, lightweight, clean design, low fuel consumption rating, and a whole lot of others. So please follow us for more. Also, if you need this bike, don't forget to reach out to us because we will deliver. And if you price it, if you sell it to you and you get it cheaper somewhere else, don't buy from us. Thank you.